Have you ever wondered how your computer processes everything so fast? It's all thanks to the CPU, the central processing unit, or the brain of the computer. Here's how it works. First, the CPU receives instructions from the computer's memory. These instructions are just simple commands, like opening a file or running an application. The CPU fetches these instructions and prepares them for the next step. Next, we move on to the decode phase. The CPU breaks down the instructions into smaller parts that it can understand. This process is like translating a language, ensuring the CPU knows exactly what to do. Now comes the execution stage. The CPU takes action based on the decoded instructions, performing calculations, moving data, or interacting with other components. This is where the magic happens. Finally, we have the store phase. The CPU stores the results of the instructions back into the memory, so your computer can access them when needed, whether it's displaying something on your screen or saving a file. All of this happens at lightning speed, measured in billions of cycles per second, known as clock speed. So the faster the CPU's clock speed, the quicker it can process information. In short, the CPU is the powerhouse that drives every action on your computer, from simple tasks to complex operations. And without it, nothing would run. If you want to dive deeper into technology like this, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech insights.